going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back in the shop working on my wife's 2021 Jeep JLU. I lost the footage of the introduction to this video, so this is 2 weeks later. I'm trying to go ahead and get these videos out for the page, so just bear with me. Sorry about the crappy editing. But in this video, we will be installing a rough country Jeep JL tire carrier relocation plate. I will put a link in the description of the actual plate. So in the original introduction, I was actually holding the plate and talking about it, but of course it's already on the Jeep. So we'll just jump right into getting this installed. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the plastic lock using a T40. Okay, I've never done this before, so I'm kind of new. Get this out of the way. Alright, now we'll get the tire off. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be using a 13mm socket, and I'm going to loosen up the 8 bolts on the spare tire carrier. All right here. So now that I have these bolts out, I did leave 2 of them in there, so it is kind of wobbly. But now I'll be taking these torque head bolts out, and they are a 25. So on here, it's saying this is how the brake light wire is ran, and it will now be ran right through here. So that'll give it a little more slack, so it'll be picked up. All right, so I ran the wire straight down through here, and I just clipped the plastic piece back on. So now I'm just going to try to get that to stay. So I got everything out of the way, and I'm ready for the rough country bracket. So from what the directions say is that you use the factory bolts to apply this to the tailgate. So that's what we'll be doing, the 13mm bolts. Well, that's nice. All right. So we'll get the rest of these in there. We'll go ahead and get them torqued down properly. Next, we will be putting the spare tire carrier back on. We'll be using the provided grade 8 bolts, lock washer, and regular washer. So I got all these torqued down, all the grade 8 bolts torqued down. Now I'll be putting all of the 25 screws, the torque bits back in. So that's pretty much the whole install except for the spare tire, which I'm about to put that on tomorrow, but it'll be 1 second for y'all. All right, it is the next day. I went and got the tires mounted and balanced, and now I just got to put the tire back on the spare tire carrier. So the tires that I went with a 275-70 R18. From what I looked up, it looked like it was just a little bit smaller than a 35. But of course, I've got plenty of room now down here and up top. But then the last thing on this is to put this very effective lock back on, and that is going to be with a T40. Take that, thieves. So in addition to losing the footage for the introduction, I also lost the footage of me installing these energy suspension rear tailgate tire bumpers. These are actually, I hope y'all can see them, but these are actually for a JK, or that's what the paperwork says. It's for a JK 2007 Wrangler and up, but they fit just fine on this JL. And all I did was I put the tire on, and then I measured how much, and then I put I cut the bumper 1/8 of an inch longer than what I had measured, and now the tire goes on perfect, doesn't wobble, it doesn't push this in or anything weird. But overall, very satisfied with everything. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I really appreciate y'all watching. If y'all want to check out some more of my videos, go back to my page, check them out. And make sure that you like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.